What's the plan?
We need someone to get that flag.
Don't worry, guys. I got this.
Man, it's raining. Perfect.
It's not that bad out here. Hey guys, that's not my car. What? That is. Oh, sorry bro. Trunk's full. Alright boys, ready to hell out? Wear your seatbelts everyone. I cannot reach. Now move that over there. I don't want that. No. Wait, stop. We gotta go back. I forgot my wallet. Right now, turn around. For real? I'm sorry, dude. I cannot without my wallet. We can't come back. Hey, I forgot my battery, guys. Anyone have an extra battery I can use?
I think I got you right here.
You got one? Oh, well, never mind. I forgot my gun, too. Hey, man. Can I borrow a gun?
Here you go.
Thanks.
I wonder which gun I'm going to use.
Good game, everyone. Dude, I got like 50 kills. How is that possible? There's only 5 of us. Wait, where's 5? I hope I'm going the right way. Guys! I'm lost. So, how much is a gun?
700.
Deal. You want to put it first? Nah, I'm sure it's fine. Thanks, man. Dude, check out this new sick AK I got. I can afford it.
What's up, guys? Alright, play. Let's play.
Hey man, do you have some ammo I can borrow? Just got this one mag.
Sure.
Thanks.
Hey bro, you almost done with my ammo?
Oh, sorry man, I used it all. Oh, I forgot to fill up my original mag. Hey, man, you got some ammo I can borrow?
No.
Oh, you got plenty. Hey!
Dude, call your hits!
Hey, I got you, bro.
Oh, dude, chill.
Mailbag's on. Hey guys, bring it in. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on. Alright, so for this game, we're going to be in the woods. We're going to be back there near the windmill. Not too far, not till we hit the pine trees, but just don't fall in the ditch. And we're going to be, you know, walking around. We're going to be moving crates, try and get your crate to the enemy's team without getting shot. And, you know, it's basically team deathmatch. So, just, yeah. Alright, any questions? No. Let's go play.
So you like this spot too?
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Huge shout out to our friends here at the Swamp. If you want to check out their website, play Airsoft here. It's a really awesome place. Link in the description below. See you in the next video.